He smirked as she took the stand. But his grin vanished the moment the judge looked up. Emma had been working double shifts as a waitress, just to help her sick mother cover the hospital bills. One evening, she witnessed a hit-and-run accident right outside the diner. The driver? A wealthy businessman named Blake Monroe, known for throwing money at problems until they disappeared. Blake's luxury car had struck a teenage boy on a bicycle and sped off. Emma didn't hesitate. She ran outside, called 911, and memorized the license plate. Days later, she was called in as the key eyewitness for the case. In court, Blake sat with his expensive lawyer and smug expression, looking bored as Emma walked to the stand. He turned to his attorney and whispered, "A waitress? This'll be quick." Loud enough for Emma to hear. Her hands trembled, but she didn't flinch. She'd practiced her statement for nights on end. She testified clearly, recounting the car, the plate number, and even the designer cufflinks she saw when Blake reached out of the window. The courtroom was still. Blake's lawyer objected repeatedly. "She's just a waitress, probably looking for attention." Blake laughed loudly. But then, the judge's gavel came down hard. He leaned forward slowly, eyes fixed on Blake. "Mr. Monroe, you seem amused. But I don't find anything humorous about nearly killing a child." Blake rolled his eyes. "With all due respect, Your Honor." The judge cut him off. "With all due respect, you're mocking my sister." Silence. Gasps echoed. Blake blinked. "Wait, what?" The judge stood up. "Yes, Ms. Emma Lane is my sister. And while I've recused myself from final sentencing, I will remind you that this courtroom demands respect, regardless of someone's job title." Emma looked up stunned. Her brother David had moved states years ago. She had no idea he was this judge. He had requested the case transfer privately, so no one could say it was favoritism. David continued, "Being wealthy doesn't excuse you from responsibility. This court finds your attitude disgusting. The law doesn't care about your bank account, and neither do I." Blake went pale. Later, the final sentencing judge heard everything. Blake was fined, lost his license, and ordered to pay the teen's medical bills in full. But the real punishment? Public shame. His mocking laugh became a meme. His company dropped him. Emma returned to her life, but this time with her head held higher. Her brother met her outside the courtroom and smiled. "You did good, Em. If you believe dignity is louder than money, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this story with someone who needs a reminder. Kindness wins."